this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin.
Hi, lovely listeners. Let's make and put a banana pancake. Put the banana in the blender. Put the dates. Remove the seeds there. Remove the seeds. Put the apple in there. Put the baby yogurt. Put baby yogurt and lock it. Now it's blending. Lock the blender and blend. If it blends finish, we'll put it in the bowl. If we put it in the bowl, the color has changed. So put one egg there. One egg. Put one egg there and mix it. If we mix it together, the color will be another one. Let's put oat flour. It is not flour anymore. It is oat flour. Mommy blends this one. Mix it thoroughly. If I mix it thoroughly, I'm washing blender. Did you know I love to wash blender? Look at this. I just love to dance because happiness is key. Happiness is the key. My baby also loves to dance. You see, happiness is the key. I put my banana pancake in the frying pan. If I put it in the frying pan, finish, it will dry. If it's dry, I put all of that. Now, I also love to dance. Did you know I love to dance? I just love to dance so much. And the back of the pancake is not yet dry. And my food.
What are you doing? What are you carrying up and down? Yeah? That is why I buy you Brenda. I will see small Brenda there. You don't throw away. Don't go carry my own. Anyway, good morning, lovelies. We are making what?
We're making banana pancake.
An apple, yeah?
Yeah.
And date. It's so good. You should try it.
Yeah. Don't
When they are waiting for pancakes, everybody is waiting for pancakes. Okay? Do you guys love pancakes?
Yes, we love pancakes so much.
I know.
Don't tell mommy breast.
Everybody still want mommy breast.
Yes.
Even when I don't grow like this.
Pump it for me. I don't want to drink it like that.
I should pump breast for you?
Yes, I don't want to drink it like that. That's how you bite.
Oh, you want to bite me? You bite my breast too.
Don't bite it. Mommy will not pump it for you.
Do you know, Ahmed, you used to bite me when you were small?
Yeah.
Yeah, you bite me when you were small. Why?
Oh no, 1 minute.
Why? Why did you bite mommy when you were small?
I don't know. Because I'm just a little baby. I don't know anything.
You were just a little baby, you don't know anything. That's why you bite mommy.
Yeah.
But when baby hits you, you always hit baby back. Why? But baby does not know anything. Baby is also a little baby now.
She hit me very, very serious. Look, baby is crying.
Say good morning. Good morning. Sunshine, good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning. You don't want to say good morning? Are you hungry? You want to eat pancake? Yes. Yes, you want to eat pancake? Eat.
Calling 777 and 14.
You say?
Make it again.
I should make it again?
Yeah, the pancake is so sweet. Pancake.
We should not make another food, just pancake. Oh.
Everybody don't like pancake is so sweet and very
Very soft, yeah? And it's sweet. Okay. Don't worry, we also eat on the floor, okay? Go eat your food. Go and eat your food.
Malita? Malita?
Bring that vitamin.
I'm yucking it. Yuck, 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 yuck.
Nice. Oh, don't match your food for grand though. You also take this one. Vitamin D as well. Good. Good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you're watching us from. It's actually morning here, okay? And we are going out. We have an appointment with doctor today. It's raining day. Almost 3 days now. He has been like this, so rain every time. Yeah. So yeah, we are here at the hospital. Talk to you guys later. Cute flower here. So cute. I was supposed to say hi. Yeah, say hi. Say hi. Come. I see you. Come. Are you okay? I see you. Hey, Mama see you. Hey, oh yeah, come. Come here. Hey, whoa. Opa, leave him alone. Come. I'm not lost in. Oh yeah, go. Go. Oh yeah, now come. He said you don't want to go. He said you don't want to leave me. Say I will lost. Oh yeah, go. Don't worry, go. How's it goes? Oh yeah, now don't worry, go. Oh yeah, let's go. It's still raining. Oh my God, huh? You should hold me. Go, okay? Oh my God, that's it goes. My second baby now my magnet. It magnets me every time.
What's for lunch?
Hi, lovelies. Today, Aziz is helping mommy to cook. Mommy is putting all the ingredients on the fish and the plate. And mommy is going to peel that katroshka. Mommy is peeling katroshka with knife. Peel it thoroughly. Now everything is done. Put the fish, mix the fish and put it in the fire. If you put it in the fire, it's going to be good. Put all the ingredients in the fire too. This is so good what we're doing. as this is cooking with mommy, cut another potato half. Did you know it's going to be good? Cut the potato half. Did you know it's going to be good? You know it is so good what we're cooking. This food will be delicious. Add the katrushka pieces. If you add the pieces, everything don't fall. This katrushka was so many. Cut the tomatoes very thoroughly. If we cut it finish, we add it there. If we add them there and be mixing it with knife, did you know we also add carrots there? Carrot is delicious. If we add carrot, we have to be using our hand to do it. If we're doing it finish, this is how it's going to delicious. Mommy is going to put ketchup and mayonnaise. Did you know? Lock it first. Put the ketchup and mayonnaise in mommy cup and put the milk. Mix it thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. It change color red to pink. If you put the ketchup and mayonnaise in both the milk, you have to cover it in some minutes. And we have to stir it. This one is so sweet. This method is sweet as this go enjoy them. As this they see. This food is so delicious. Did you know this food is so good? We add fish. Now let's add the onions. If we add onions, we add green something. We add another onions. Yes, more onions. Now it's going to ready. Now the food are ready. It's so good. Bye. See you tomorrow.
The next day.
So shiny. Okay. Don't take blood. In the hospital right now. Yeah. Sunshine, my gift from God. You are my gift. Yeah, we're going to do it.
Why? I don't want to do it.
It's just a little, okay? It's not painful, okay? They're just going to take your blood this year, okay? It's not painful. You'll be fine. Is it painful? Sorry, okay?
But I'm not going to be strong again.
You are a strong boy, of course. It will not stop you, okay?
I'm not going to be strong again because it's not going to bother me. Happy to stay in my house.
No, it's just a little, okay? We will not do it again, okay? Wear your shirt, let's go, okay? Oh my God, my children. Sunshine. Sunshine. Say hi. Sunshine. Sunshine. Sunshine, Baba. Look at you. You see, Sunshine is not crying. Baby is not crying, okay? He's even laughing. We are going now, okay? Ahmed, don't cry, okay? You are strong.
I don't want to follow us and go.
You don't want to go again?
Yes.
Okay, we are not going. Come. It's okay. It's okay, okay? You are strong, okay?
Monster hospital one
It's not a monster hospital. It's just a little blood.
Это
sorry.
что? Это нельзя.
Нельзя, да?
Много мозга буду заходить.
Oh, sorry, my love. Sorry. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Sunshine! Sunshine! Hey! See my baby! Like that? You don't do. My children, they don't the vex, they don't take their blood though. Huh? This one say you will not go to hospital again. Oh my God, you were just a little blood. Okay, we are going home. They just take a little blood, so they want to test it. But these children, since they just the vex, Eh?
That's the test.
Yes, they want to test it now. Is it painful?
Uncle Zeke?
No, he's not going to drink it. How will doctor drink your blood? Go, let's go, let's go. They are not going to drink your blood, okay? Yeah, they're not. It's the hospital. It's not smelly. Don't spoil their hospital for them. Or let's go. Don't spoil it, okay? They are not going to drink your blood, though. They want to test it, okay? Okay? It's just a little. They are not going to lick it. Is it a lollipop? It's not lollipop now. Yeah, let's go home, okay? Oh my God, my children. Yeah, come. Well, it's actually their first time doing this, though. Oh my God. Come, let's go. That one.
Нет, я хочу это. Это который папа взял.
Let's go. I will carry a chocolate. Cacao. No, we'll carry cacao. Yeah, let's go. Go. Leave the road.
Я не хочу, я не хочу,